Hello, in this video tutorial we are going to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV model. Alrighty, so first of all you want to get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The easiest and the most convenient way to do that is by swiping downwards from the top part of your display in order for the control center to appear. Locate the Wi-Fi shortcut. After that, just tap and hold on it. Once at the Wi-Fi settings page, decide what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. In my case, I'll go with this HardReset.Info 5G Wi-Fi network. Once at the network details page, tap on the share icon, and in here right below the QR code you'll see the actual Wi-Fi network password. So from here you can either manually connect to it on your any other given device that you were to share the Wi-Fi password with, of course, or simply scan this QR code and gets your second device connected automatically. So let me just take my Nokia smartphone. In order for me to scan the QR code, I'll use the built-in camera Google Lens. So I'll align it with the QR code, tap on it, and once this join network button appears, I'll tap on this button as well. And as you will see now, our Nokia Android smartphone will be successfully connected to the given Wi-Fi network, just like so. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.